Today, we're diving deep into Course4.io, a platform that's been gaining traction in the dropshipping community. If you're unfamiliar, Course4.io is an all-in-one dropshipping tool designed to automate and streamline your entire e-commerce process. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, Course4.io promises to simplify running a dropshipping business. So let's take a look at what it offers. When you first sign up, the onboarding process is straightforward. You're prompted to create your store, and from there, Course4.io gives you access to a clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard where everything you need is right at your fingertips. From importing products to managing orders and even tracking customer data, everything is centralized. The product search and import process is one of the standout features. Course4.io gives you access to a huge variety of products from suppliers across the globe. You can easily filter by category, price, shipping method, and other factors to find the perfect products for your store. Importing products is seamless, and you can automate product updates to keep your listings accurate and up to date. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the automation of order fulfillment. Once an order comes through on your store, Course4.io handles the fulfillment process for you. This includes sending order details to your supplier, updating tracking information, and keeping your customers informed along the way. This is a game changer for anyone looking to scale their dropshipping business without spending hours on manual tasks. For pricing, Course4.io offers tiered subscription plans, each with different features and limitations. While it's not the cheapest solution on the market, it does offer a lot of value for what you get, especially considering the automation features and support available. They also offer a free trial, so you can try the platform before committing to a paid plan. In terms of customer support, Course4.io excels. They offer 24/7 live chat support, as well as a comprehensive help center with tutorials, FAQs, and troubleshooting tips. This is great for new dropshippers who may need a little extra guidance while learning the ropes. When it comes to integrations, Course4.io works seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, so you can connect your store with just a few clicks. This makes it easy to manage everything from one location without jumping between multiple platforms. The one downside I found with Course4.io is that it's not as customizable as some other dropshipping platforms. While the features are solid, the user interface and templates are relatively basic, and there's not as much room for design flexibility. But if you're primarily focused on automation and efficiency, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Overall, Course4.io is a great choice for anyone looking to automate and optimize their dropshipping business. It's not perfect, but for its price and range of features, it's definitely worth considering. If you're interested in trying out Course4.io for yourself, make sure to check out the free trial they offer. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on all things dropshipping and e-commerce.